You know, it doesn't look as bad as I thought it would around here. I'm actually right outside of the Intervale and Roselawn playground. And this is near Schoolcraft and Wyoming. Today we're going to be heading east on Davison, and we're going to cover the roadway in its entirety. And I'll go ahead and mention all the interesting things about this roadway as we head along. What a surprise! The condition of this road is really bad. And if it wasn't for the stabilization features on my camera, this video would be very hard to watch. We're now going through the Russell Woods neighborhood, pretty small, being home to around 2,000 people. However, the average household income is around $42,000, so that's pretty good for this city. We're now in the Dexter-Linwood neighborhood, not as fortunate, with an average household income of closer to $20,000. Believe it or not, this land used to be farmland, a lot of it was, and this road was named after a farmer, Jared Davison, who owned land along this road, and the area where his farm was located in what would later become Highland Park, which was incorporated as a city in 1914. Highland Park used to be home to 53,000 people at its peak in the 1930 census. Now it is home to only an estimated 10,000. Davison used to be a surface road back when Detroit and Highland Park were much more populated. Officials wanted to make it a freeway through Highland Park, and it actually became the first urban depressed freeway in the U.S. after opening in 1942. The construction consisted of the purchase of a half block of right-of-way in both sides of the freeway, and the demolition of nearly 70 homes, and another 63 homes were moved. Highland Park is considered to be a worse city than Detroit and one of the most poverty-stricken cities in the country, with an average household income of $17,550. Crime and blight are both really big problems here. As the road comes back to a surface street, it goes through some old beat-up neighborhoods and crosses several railroad tracks before passing through what appears to be an abandoned warehouse district. As the state highway designation ends, you can see that the road conditions go back to being really bad. But hey, at least you can get your freak on at the Sexy Secret. Seems like the only place open on this street. Well, thanks for watching another Nostalgia Tours video, and if you enjoyed, hit that like and subscribe button. To those who already have, thank you so much, and let me know if there's an area or street that you would like to see. Peace!